You will be amazed by this 2023 Nissan Armada. Get into this upscale Armada and let the adventure begin. From its spacious cabin that seats 8 in refined comfort, to its standard driver assist safety tech, to its massive towing capacity and available all-wheel drive, this commanding SUV gives you the confidence to take on whatever the journey has in store. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: heated steering wheel, Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, heated and/or cooled front seats, keyless entry, moonroof, navigation system, fog lamps, power liftgate, power passenger seat, premium sound system. Feel prepared for whatever the road has in store in this bold and beautiful Armada. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.